Okay, we've got at the moment a working program which is pretty good, but as we found out here, we could end up with an error if we try and get the wrong, or we give it the wrong information. And there's a lot of things that can actually go wrong. Number one, we can perform the wrong call, we can look up the wrong data, we could send nonsense information, or we could not have a network connection. Anything could go wrong, which is going to sort of crash our program. And over the next couple of videos, what I want to do is sort of tighten this up a little bit so that the program is more robust, and if it sort of can't handle or can't do what we want it to do, it's either going to ask again or die gracefully rather than just give us a red error message. So that's the sort of thing that I'm looking at. So let's first of all see what kind of information we can get back from the Google APIs if we've got the right thing. So let me copy this again and paste that. Let's close that one down and start up a new tab. If I paste into here, and instead of giving it a regular address, if I type something sort of nonsense, I don't know, I think that's not a recognised address anywhere in the world. Sometimes when you type these values in, it is going to pick up an address, because around the world they have different ways of doing their postcodes. Sometimes they're numbers, sometimes they're numbers and letters. I think this one's safe, that there's nothing in the world with that. So when I press enter, there we go. And the JSON that's returned just tells us, remember last time we saw the status was okay, this time we've got status as being 0 results, and if you take a look at results, it is an empty list. So if anybody wanted to mess around with our program and type in some nonsense, then we want to be able to handle this so that we ask them to enter a correct address in again, and that's where we're going to go in the next lesson.